Hey, I'm Pat. Welcome to Daily Devo. Today we're going to talk about Olam. We're in the midst of looking at the numerous names and titles of God because these help us know Him better. And when we know Him better, we will trust Him more. And when we trust Him more, we will seek Him further. The name of God we're looking at today is Olam, which is literally the eternal God. It means that God has no beginning nor end, which immediately propels Him above everything and everyone. Nothing else and no one else can make this claim, that they have no beginning or end. This truth that He is eternal also indicates this incredible hope that all of His other attributes are not here today and gone tomorrow. They, like Him, are everlasting, which means His love, His peace, His grace, His justice, His holiness will never, ever pass away. What's fascinating is what the ancient rabbis would do with this name of God. You see, with a tiny change in the Hebrew vowel signs, the rabbis shifted the descriptor part of this name of God from eternal to hidden. So with this tiny shift, they were both saying God is eternal and God is hidden, meaning because He is eternal and so much greater than us, He is also mysterious. It's true because if I were to ask you to fully explain how God can have no beginning or end, you would have no adequate answer. Why? Because it's a mystery, because it's too much for us to explain, because our minds can't fully comprehend this truth. The fact is that His timeless, everlasting nature, without a beginning or an end, is one of the many profound mysteries of His greatness. Olam, the everlasting and mysterious God. Listen to how the prophet Isaiah uses this title for God in Isaiah chapter 40, verse 28. It says, "Do you not know? Have you not heard? The Lord is the Olam, the everlasting God, the creator of the ends of the earth. He will not grow tired or weary, and His understanding no one can fathom." Would you hold on to this great truth today, this great hope today, this hope found in this name of God, Olam, God everlasting? Would you hold on to this truth that His everlasting existence not only points to Him being one of a kind, but also reminds us that His character has never nor will ever change? By the way, this is why the writer of Hebrews exclaimed Jesus as the same yesterday, today, and forever, and that Jesus obtained eternal redemption for you and me. It's why when John saw the vision of the future, he saw and heard Jesus proclaim Himself as the beginning and the end, the first and the last. Why? Because Jesus is Olam, God everlasting. My friends, the grass withers, the flowers fade, the trees lose their leaves. We see the cycle of life throughout nature, but not just in nature. Things come and go, people come and go, fads come and go, activities come and go, beliefs come and go, but you know what doesn't come and go? Olam. Today, remember that you serve the everlasting, unchanging, mysterious God of this universe. Olam.